Heartbreaking news. The middle star Pat Finn dies at 60. The sad announcement. Hollywood has lost one of its funniest and most beloved neighbors today. It is with a heavy heart that we share the news. Pat Finn, the brilliant actor known for making us laugh in The Middle and Seinfeld, has passed away. He was just 60 years old. The news was confirmed this morning by his family, revealing that Pat passed away peacefully on Monday night, surrounded by his loved ones. For fans of comedy, this feels like losing a friend. The cause of death. While Pat spent his life making us smile, privately he was fighting a very tough battle. It has been revealed that he died after a long struggle with bladder cancer. He was first diagnosed in 2022. For a while, things were looking better and he went into remission, but tragically, the cancer returned recently and spread. Despite the pain, he kept his signature humor and kindness until the very end. A legacy of laughter. His famous roles. You might not always know his name, but you definitely knew his face. Pat was the ultimate character actor. He is best known to the world as Bill Norwood, the friendly and funny neighbor in the hit show The Middle, where he starred from 2010 to 2018. But his career was legendary long before that. Do you remember Dr. Roger in Friends? That was him. Do you remember Joe Mayo in Seinfeld? That was him too. From The King of Queens to Third Rock from the Sun, Pat was a part of all our favorite shows. The man behind the smile. Pat wasn't just an actor, he was a family man and a loyal friend. Before he was famous, he was best friends with the legendary Chris Farley in college. They played rugby together and started their comedy careers side by side in Chicago. Now, the two friends are reunited. Pat leaves behind his wife of 34 years, Donna, and their 3 children. His friends describe him not just as a funny guy, but as the kindest soul you could ever meet. Today, the lights in Hollywood are a little dimmer. Thank you, Pat, for the decades of laughter. You will be missed, but your scenes will keep us smiling forever. Rest in peace, Pat Finn. What was your favorite Pat Finn role? Let us know in the comments below as we pay tribute to this comedy legend.